What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. Excuse me. We're going to go over our friend Polygon. Currently, we're sitting at 56 cents, down 2.3 on the day. We're sitting at market cap of 4.46 billion. 24-hour volume, 400 million. 24-hour volume has dropped quite a bit. Something to keep in mind. Let's hop into the chart. We're here on the 1 hour time frame. So potentially, I'm looking at a 5 subwave structure being complete here. We put in our wave 3. This is our wave 4 pullback. We put in our wave 5 of the larger wave 1 within the wave 3. Now, I was looking for a wave count that would make sense to reach this wave 3, and I believe I've found it if we see a bounce. Of course, wave counts can be invalidated. But if this is your wave 1 within your wave 3, what you can do is take your trend-based fib extension from the bottom of wave 1 up to the top, down to the bottom of the wave 2. If this were to be the bottom of the wave 2, it can retrace deeper here. Then you would target the 1.618 coming at 80 cents, put in that wave 3, put in your wave 4, put in your wave 5 to reach that larger wave 3 target for Matic. Now, if we are putting in a wave 2 pullback, usually it's going to come down to the 0.618, 0.5, 0.618. I don't see it coming all the way down to the 0.786. The wave 2 pullback can actually retrace up to 99% of wave 1, but there's a couple things I'm looking at here. So we have a support level right here at about 52 cents. See all the resistance in this area. We had previous support in this area. If we scroll back, these wicks came down to that area as well. And we have this trend line of support. You can see we had support here, support right here. So if we do come down to the 0.5, that's coming in at about 52.529. That will give you a beautiful opportunity to bounce as well. So I would expect a bounce in between the 0.382 and the 0.618 if this is a wave 2 pullback in between 55 and 51 cents. If we come all the way down and we lose 48 cents, the wave count is less likely in my opinion, and we may be looking at a large double top pattern. But we have a beautiful uptrend for Matic, so if we can hold this ascending support line, I do think we could see continuation to the upside depending on Bitcoin and Ethereum, of course. We've been watching this cup and handle pattern. So we've come up and we've hit resistance here and we've seen a little bit of rollover. It doesn't invalidate the pattern just yet. If we start to come down and we lose these lows here, I don't think we'd be looking at a cup and handle anymore. I mean, you could be looking at a smaller cup and handle, I guess, but we also have to watch for a potential double top where we've come up, we've made a top, we've made a second top. So if we come down and we lose this support of about 48 cents, we could come all the way back down to about 44 cents because we'd also be losing that trend line of support. But as of right now, we have seen a beautiful impulse to the upside. Matic is one of the strongest coins in the top 50, the top 100 right now. We had a 100% move from the bottom here, made juicy profits all the way up with my trade signals in the Discord coming in at the $10 membership. Just plug that in right there. So if we do come up, we break this resistance, we could see that beautiful push for Matic. Up to the technical target is about $1.17. Don't know if we'd come that high. We do have resistance along the way, but first we have to break this trend line of resistance. So in the short term for Matic, do watch this yellow box for a potential wave 2 bounce in between 51 to 55 cents and this ascending support line. If that support is lost, we lose the golden ratio of 51 cents. Higher likelihood you're coming back down to where you started at about 45 cents. For our friend Matic. A little bit of a bullish divergence, lower lows, higher lows on the 1 hour RSI, something to keep in mind. So that's basically it for this one. Just remember, it's not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a young guy from Canada. If you want my exact entries, exits, and take profits, just locked in a juicy trade on Matic for 12% and recently locked in a 14% move from entry, a 25% take profit. With Ethereum. So if you want my spot trades, my leverage trades, it's only $10 a month. A lot of guys are charging $50, $100. I think eventually I'm going to bump it up, but as of right now, it's only $10 a month. So you can sign up through the Patreon. If you want to trade with me, make sure to sign up to Bybit. $4,500 in bonuses, my favorite exchange for trading. And I'll see you in the next video. All right. Much love. Take care.